Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Singhal and I'm your mathematics trainer. Today we are going to solve the past year questions of UIMO, that is Unified International Mathematics Olympiad. Here is the first question. There are 42 mangoes and oranges in a box. If the number of mangoes in the box is twice the number of oranges, how many oranges are there in 5 such boxes? So oranges in one box will be equal to 2 multiplied by 42, that is 84. If the number of mangoes in the box is twice, okay, number of mangoes is twice, so this should be 42 divided by 2, that is equal to 21. How many oranges are there in 5 such boxes? So oranges in 5 boxes, that will be equal to 21 multiplied by 5. But that is not the option. There are 42 mangoes and oranges. Okay, so in one box, this is the total that is given to us. And the number of mangoes, let's say that oranges and mangoes. Mangoes is twice. So orange is x, so this will be 2x. Now it is given 2x plus x is equal to 42. 3x is equal to 42 or x is equal to 14. So number of oranges in one box is 14. In 5 boxes, that will be 14 multiplied by 5, that is 70. A option is the correct answer. Next one. Nisha wrote two numbers on the whiteboard. The sum of these two numbers is 56. One number is 3 times the other one. So if one number is x, another number is 3x, their sum is 56. So this implies 4x is equal to 56 or x is equal to 14. What is the smallest number? This is 14. This is 42. So smaller one is 14. The figure shown is made up of two rectangles. Calculate the area. So for this, the area is 8 multiplied by 5. For this, the area is 18 multiplied by 7. So 40 plus, this is 126, that is equal to 166 centimeter square. The option. Next one. Which option is equal to 135 hours? So A option is 5 days. So 5 multiplied by 24, that is 120 hours. B option, 5 multiplied by 24 plus 10, that is 120 plus 10, that is equal to 130 hours. C option, 5 multiplied by 24 plus 15, that is 120 plus 15, that is 135 hours. So C is the correct answer. Which option is largest? A is equal to 100 and M is equal to 0.1. So 100 plus 0.1, that is equal to 100.01. So 100.1. A option. B option, 100 multiplied by 0.1, that is equal to 10. C option, 100 divided by 0.1, that is equal to 1000. And D option, 0.1 divided by 100, that is equal to 0.001. So this is the greatest one. C option is the correct answer. Choose the perimeter of the given rectangle. We know that the opposite sides are equal. So this is 24 and this is 18 centimeter. Now the perimeter is twice of length plus width. That is twice of 24 plus 18. Twice of 42, that is equal to 84 centimeter. D option is the correct answer. Madhu spent 10% of his salary on transport last month. He spent 30% of the remaining on food item and had left with this much amount. What is the salary? So let's say salary is X. 10% of X spent on transport. So the left one is 90% of X, that is equal to 0.9x. Now 30% of 0.9x is equal to 9 and then 3. 0.27x, and the leftover part is 0.9 minus 0.27 x, that is equal to 0.63 x. This is equal to 1575. 0.63 x is equal to 1575. So x is equal to 1575 multiplied by 100 divided by 63. So for 9 times, this is 7. This will become 9 into 1. Then 6, 7, 9 into 7. Then 4, 5, 5. Then 175 is divided by 7. That is 2 times. And then 5 multiplied by 100. So x is equal to 2500 rupees. A option. Choose the missing time. See, we have hours, we have minutes. 4 hours 28 minutes minus 45 minutes. We cannot subtract 45 from 28. So this will become 3 and this will become 60 plus 28, that is 88, and this is 45 as it is. 8 minus 5 is 3, 8 minus 4 is 4. So 43 minutes and 3 hours. P option. The figure shows a symmetrical figure that has a part of it cut away. AB is a line of symmetry. Which one of the following is the part that is cut away? We will go exactly in the opposite direction, like this, then like this, then like this, then like this, and then finally like this. This is the part that we will going to have. Now as this is being cut like this, so this is the part we will going to form. So that is nothing but the, see, here is the difference, everything is good, but here is the difference, everything is good, here is the difference. D option is the correct answer. A tank contains 1250 milliliter of water. 5 more mugs of water are needed to fill up the tank completely. If each mug has a capacity of 450 ml, what is the capacity of the tank? So capacity of the tank is equal to 1250 is already, then 5 more mugs. So 5 multiplied by 450 can also come. So this is 1250 plus 2250. This is equal to 3500 ml. That is equal to 3 liters and 500 ml. The option is the correct answer. Next one. Which one is not symmetric figure? So see, which one is not a symmetric figure? So if we talk about this line, this is symmetric. If we talk about this line, this is symmetric, or this line also, this is symmetric. If we talk about this line, this figure is symmetric, but over here we cannot make any lines along which it can be symmetric. So B option is the correct answer. 80% of people in St. Anne's and public primary school participated in a mathematics competition. Some boys and 40 girls did not participate. And 40% of the people in the school were girls, and there were 231 boys. How many boys participated in the competition? So see, total students, 40% are girls, so technically 60% are boys. Now 60% of x, let's say x is total, is equal to 231. So x is equal to 231 multiplied by 100 upon 60. 0 will get cancelled out. So this is 6 3 times. 18 5 1, 2 plus 3 1. Okay. If what, see, 80% of the people in the center and primary school participated in a mathematics competition. 80%. 0.8x participated. If some boys and 40 girls, some boys and 40 girls did not participate. So 0.2x is equal to some boys, we do not know, that is, let's say that the total number of boys is 0.6x, total number of girls is 0.4x. Now some boys, we do not know, plus 40 girls did not participate. If 40% of the people in the school were girls and 230 were boys, 40% are girls and 231 are boys. How many boys did not participate in the competition over here? So, see, if we talk about 231 is equal to the 60% of the people. 231 is equal to the 60% of the people. So that is 100 divided by 60. Then 0 will get cancelled out. This will become 2. So 3. This will become 5. Now 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. Then again 7. So 77 into 5. This is 385. There are 385 boys. So the number of girls will going to be x is equal to 385. This is the total quantity. So number of girls will be 385 minus 231, that is equal to 154. 154 are girls. Now some girls 80% participated, so that is equal to number of students who participated is 80 upon 100 multiplied by 385. 0 will get cancelled out. This is 4, this is 5, then this is 4 multiplied by 9 and 5, 95. So this is equal to 22, 36, 300. 4 multiplied by, okay, this is 5 times, so 75. 300 participated out of 385. Now that is equal to 308. This is 308. This has to be 4. This is 5. Then 385 multiplied by 4, 15, 40 divided by 5. That is 308. Calculation, some calculation error. 385, 5 7 times, and then 3 5 5 5 times. 385 divided by 5. This is 77. Okay. So 308. Now 308 participated, and we need to calculate how many boys participated. 40 girls did not participate, and some boys did not participate. 231 are the boys, 154 are the girls. Now, out of 154, number of girls who participated is 154 minus 40, that is equal to 114. 114. Now 8 these are the students who participated. 308 minus 114, that is 8 minus 4 is 4, and this is 19. 194 boys participated. Out of 231, 194 participated. How many boys participated? That is equal to 194. So the correct answer in this case will going to be nothing but option number D. Next one. Which solid is made up of 8 cubes? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So B option is the correct answer. So here is the next question that we are going to discuss. A virus scan was performed twice on 2 different computers. It took 7 hours 48 minutes to finish both scans on computer A. Computer B took 29 minutes more to finish each scan. How long did it take to complete both scans in computer B? In computer B, the time is 7 hours plus 48 minutes plus 29 minutes plus 29 minutes. The reason is because it is taking 29 minutes more to finish each scan. This is 7 hours plus 29 plus 29 is 58 plus 48. This is 16, 106 minutes. This is 7 hours plus 1 hour plus 46 minutes. That is equal to 8 hours plus 46 minutes. A option is the correct answer. Here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And all we are doing is we are writing down is 106 is equal to 60 plus 46. So that is how we are getting this. This is how we can solve. A jug can hold 3.65 liter of water. This is 5 times the amount of water a glass can hold. What is the amount of water that can be held by two glasses? So capacity of glass is equal to 3.65 liters divided by 5. This is equal to 0.73 liters. Capacity of two glasses is equal to 2 multiplied by 0.73, that is equal to 1.46 liters. B option. John went shopping with this much rupees. He had 1137 left after buying 8 books. If each book costs the same, what is the cost of one book? So cost of 8 books is equal to 81209 minus 1137. This is equal to 2. 10 minus 3 is 7. 11. This is rupees 72. This is the cost of 8 books. So cost of one book is equal to 72 divided by 8, that is equal to 9. B option. Identify the missing number. 14.55 plus something is equal to 20.90. So this value is equal to 20.90 minus 14.55. 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. This is 6.35. B option is the correct answer. Next one. Dia went on a holiday trip. She spent 2 weeks in Delhi and 6 days in Manali. 2 weeks means 2 into 7, that is 14 days in Delhi. In Manali, 6 days. So total duration is equal to 6 plus 14, that is 20 days. What fraction of her holiday did Dia spend in Manali? So fraction in Manali is equal to number of days divided by total, that is equal to 3 upon 10. 6 upon 20 is 3 upon 10. B option. Two numbers, one rounded to the nearest 100 are equal to 2800. There are two numbers. Two numbers when rounded off to the nearest 100 are equal to 2800. Find the difference between the greatest possible value and the smallest possible value of 2. So see, if we talk about the round off part, 2849 is the greatest number which when rounded off to nearest 100 it will become 2800, and the smallest one is 2750 because this is 7 and after that as we are having 5, so this will become 2800. 2849, 2750, this is 9. 14 minus 5 is 9. 99 is the difference. If P plus Q is 105, P minus Q is 45, what is the ratio of P is to Q? So if we add both of them, so 2P is equal to 150 or P is equal to 75. This implies Q is equal to 30. Now P ratio Q is equal to 75 ratio 30. That is equal to 5 ratio 2. D option. Children who are going for an excursion are to be divided into groups of 4 and 6. The total number of children can only between 99 and 119. What is the greatest possible number of children that can go for the excursion? So LCM of 4 and 6, that is equal to 12. Now 12 can go, 24 can go, 36 can go, then 48, then 60, then 72, then 84, then 96, then 108, then 120. It should be in between 99 and 119, so that will going to be 108. A option. Now, why we have taken the LCM? Because then when we divide them into the group of either 4 or 6, it will going to get completely divisible. Basically, the dividing them is possible. Choose a number that is 12 less than a palindrome. Uh, 12 less than a palindrome. So if we add 12 in all the cases, this will become 43634. This will become 3226. This will become 1527. This will become 59886. Now, is it a palindrome? No. Is it a palindrome? No. Is it a palindrome? No. But this is the palindrome. 4364, 43634 or 43634. B option. Identify the fraction when simplified. Give an answer which is different from the rest. So in this case, A, this is 3 by 4. In case of B, this is 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2 minus 3 upon 4. This is 6 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4, that is 3 upon 4. C option, this is 8 times 5 upon 8, and D option, this is 4 upon, if you multiply it by 3, if you multiply it by 4 and 4, so this is 5 plus 4 upon 12, 9 upon 12, that is also equal to 3 upon 4. So this is the different one. C option is the correct answer. A truck has a mass of 14,500 kilogram. If a truck carrying a big barrel has a mass of this much kilogram, find the mass of two such big barrels. If a truck is carrying a big barrel has a mass of this, find the mass of two such big barrels. So mass of barrel is 16789 minus 14500. This is 89. This is 2. This is 2. Double 2. 89 kilogram is for one barrel. Mass of two barrels is equal to double 289 multiplied by 2. This is 18 1 17 or 16 plus 1 17 1. Then 5. So 4578 kilogram. B option is the correct answer. The solid figure shown is made up of identical cubes. Choose the minimum number of cubes needed to be added in order to make the figure a cuboid. So see, in order to make it a cuboid, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cubes are required over here. 8 in level 1. Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 16 are there, but 2 are already placed. So plus in level 2, 16 minus 2, this is 14. Now the total is 14 plus 8, that is 22. This is the minimum number of cuboids which are required in order to make it a cuboid. That is going to be the answer. But over here, width of cube is 4 and the length is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one second. This is length. This one is 5. So this will going to be 5 into 4, 20 minus 2. So this is 20 minus 2, that is equal to 18. So this is 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. Option C is the correct answer. Mrs. Khushi prepared 1500 cupcakes for a fun fair. She packed them into boxes of 5 and sold each box for 240 rupees. She then used the money to buy 6 packets of sweets. So see, first of all, number of boxes is equal to 1500 upon 5, that is 300. Amount she earns is equal to 300 multiplied by 240. This is 72 and then followed by 30, 72,000. She then used the money to buy 6 packets of sweets. If each packet of sweet cost 12, how much money did she had she left? Cost of 6 packets of sweets is 6 multiplied by 12, that is 72. Amount left is 72,000 minus 72, that is equal to 71,928. D option is the correct answer for this particular question. But one more thing, we need to understand that over here this is 300. This is 1500 upon 5, that is 300. 300 multiplied by 240. This is the amount. Total cost of this is this much. So she is left with 71928. Yeah, the option is the correct answer. If A triangle B is equal to B plus B minus A minus A minus B. This is B plus B minus A minus A plus B. This is equal to 3B minus 2A. Then 9 triangle 8 will be equal to 3 multiplied by 8 minus 2 multiplied by 9, and 7 triangle 5 will be equal to 5 multiplied by 8 minus 7 multiplied by 9. Sorry, 2 multiplied by 7. So this is 24 minus 18, that is 6. This is 40 minus 14, that is equal to, okay, this should be multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So this is 15 minus 14, that is 1. What is the difference? How much larger this value is as compared to this? 6 minus 1, that is 5. B option. Next one. 3 clock chimes at an interval of 4, 8 and 12 minutes respectively at noon. At noon, that means 12 p.m. All the clocks chimes together. When will the 3 clocks chime together fall again? So for that, we need to find out the LCM of 4, 8 and 12. That is equal to 24. 4, 8, 12. So this is by 4, 1, 2, 3. Then by 2, 1, 1, 3. Then by 3, 1, 1, 1. So LCM is equal to 4 into 2 into 3. 24. After 24 minutes, it will going to chime together again. So that is 12, 24. The option. A number is in between 30 and 50. It is also a multiple of 6. So multiple of 6 is 36, 42, 48. Okay. 36, 42, 48. When divided by 5, the remainder is 1. So when you divide it by 5, the remainder is 1. When you divide it by 5, the remainder is 2. When you divide it by 5, the remainder is 3. Choose a number. So that is 36, option B. Next one. A boy runs at a speed of 8 meter per second. So how long does he take to cover the distance of 1 kilometer? Distance is equal to 1 multiplied by 1000, that is 1000 meters. Speed is equal to 8 meters per second. So we know distance is equal to speed upon time, or time is equal to distance upon speed. 1000 upon 8, that is 125 seconds. B option is the correct answer. So here is the next question that we are going to discuss. Observe the given figure in which the height of two poles P and Q are given. If the height of the pole P is 225, how much shorter than 3 meters is pole Q? How much shorter than 3 meters is pole Q? First of all, this is 225. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we assume that this length is x, so 5 multiplied by x is equal to 225. So x is equal to 225 upon 5, that is 45 meters. Now Q's length is, height is 4 multiplied by 45, that is 180 centimeters. How much shorter than 3 meter is, how much shorter than 3 meter is pole Q? 3 meter minus 180 centimeter. This is 300 centimeter minus 180 centimeter. That is 120 centimeter. The option is the correct answer. Next one. The volume of the cube, if the edge is given, so volume is equal to A multiplied by A multiplied by A. 25 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 25. 25 into 25 is 625. Multiplied by 25. 25 multiplied by 5 is 3125. 0. This is 1250. So 526. So this is 15625 cubic centimeter. This CU means cubic. 15625. The option is the correct answer. Next one. Which option cannot be an odd number? A prime number. 2 is a prime number. It can be a odd cannot be an odd number, but every other prime number is 3, 5, 7, 11. All are odd. A multiple of 3, multiple of 3, 6, 9, 12. Here we are having odd numbers. Multiple of 30, 30, 60, 90, 120. A square number. A square number is like 1, then we have 4, then we have 9, then we have 16. So basically 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4. We are also having odd numbers. But in this case, every number is an even number, because at the end we are having 0. The option. What is the sum of the greatest and the smallest 6-digit number that can be found by using these digits? Greatest is 863210. Smallest is 102368. The sum is, this is 8, this is 7, this is 5, this is 5, this is 6, this is 9. 965578. B option. A line PR is at right angle to PQ. Another line QS not shown is also a right angle to PQ. Is also a right angle. QS is also the right angle to PQ. So QS can be made like this, either here S or here S. This can be 90 degrees. PQ is parallel to, let's say this is the line. QS, this is 90 degrees. PQ is parallel to QS. PQ and QS are parallel. No, they are perpendicular. The line PR and QS are perpendicular to each other. No. PR is parallel to QS. Yes. PR and QS form 90 degree. No. These lines are parallel because these angles are 90 and 90 degrees. So C option is the correct answer, and this is how we can solve the group the following into 3 classes on the basis of their identical properties by using each figure only once. So if we just look at this shape, let's make the group for this one. There is this square, this rectangle, then there are 2 lines like this, which is here also, one vertical line, and then like this. This is also something which is given in the option number 8. Like this, one vertical line and then 2 horizontal. So 1, 5 and 8 are in one group. That is only there in one of the options, so that is what the answer is. We are going to save the time. If you are not starting from here, so let me explain the other one also. If we are taking this horizontal line, so this horizontal line is there in these 3 options, 2, 3 and 4. And then rest are of the one type. That is no horizontal line in the between, only one line like this. 6, 7, 9. Choose the odd one out. EJOT, GLQV, CHMR and BDFH. So for this, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. E, J, O, T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a gap of +4. Let's talk about other part. G, L, Q, V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is also a gap of plus 4. Let's talk about the next part. C, H, M, R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Gap of 4. But if we talk about the next one, B, D, F, H, there is a gap of only 2. So this is the odd one out. Choose the correct option that replaces the question mark. So see, if we look at over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we just club these two, we will get this one. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this case, the part answer will going to be like this. 1 here, then this line, and then this. So C option is the correct answer. Here is the difference. Here is the difference. Here is the difference. C option is the correct answer. I am using gray and black tiles to make a pattern shown below. If I continue the pattern the same way, how many tiles will be in the next circle? So over here in the first circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There will be 12 tiles that will going to be there. That will going to be there. A option is the correct answer. We can also make it like this, like this, like this, and similarly you can make a entire pattern. So 1, 2, see, this is how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is how you can get the answer. In the given question, how many letters in the upper case are immediately followed by the lower letter? Immediately followed by the lower letter. So H is followed by the lower letter. G, no. P, no. M is followed by the lower letter, not this one, not this one. N is followed by the lower letter, not this one, not this one. And T is followed by the lower letter. 1, 2, 3, 4. B option is the correct answer. Tennis is coded as N T I N T E I S N. N T E I S N. Ribbon is coded as BRINB. Then what will be the code of soccer? What will be the code of soccer? Now, over here, if we try to understand this scenario, then in this case, the first NTE, these two are changing. NTE, this part, the N is going here, and in this case, IS, N is going here. TE is coming like this, IS is coming like this. RI is coming like this, B is coming at front, and then this is ONB. ON is coming like here, and then B. So C will come at first, then SO, and then ER will come, and then this C will go at the last. CSOERC. B option is the correct answer. Next one. In which option the given shape is hidden? So the given shape is hidden over here. Some students might also click this one, but this is the curved part, not the correct one. In this case, this is not available. D option is the correct answer. A teacher wants to write the word cool on a board behind the student's seat in such a way that a student looking in the mirror reads the word correctly. Which of the following should the teacher write? Cool. So basically we need to find out the mirror image. That will be LOOC. LOOC. So the correct answer is the option number C. Observe the given pattern in the given example and find the value of PQRS. So 7 plus 11 is 11. 7 plus 14 is 21. 21 plus 11 is 32. So P plus 10 should be equal to 60. So P is equal to 50. These options are eliminated. R plus 8 should be equal to 10. So R value is equal to 2. This option is eliminated. B option is the correct answer. And similarly, we can find out that as we know that Q plus R, 2 plus Q is equal to 50. So Q is equal to 40. There are 5 friends who have some members in their family. Subhash has his grandmother, father, and 2 brothers and a sister in his family. Ramesh has his father, 2 brothers, and a daughter in his family. Prabhu has his sister, 2 brothers, and 3 children in his family. Similarly, Harsha has her father and 2 nephews in her family. Akhi has her father, her husband, and 2 sisters in the family. Who amongst them have the same number of members in the family? So Subhash, his grandfather, father, 2 brothers, and a sister. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. Ramesh, his father, his 2 brothers, and daughter. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is 5. Prabhu, his sister, 1 plus 1 plus 2 brothers plus 3 children. This is 7. Harsha, her father, 1 plus 1, 2 nephew. That is 4. Akhi, her father, 1 plus 1, her husband, 1, 2 sisters. That is 5. So the same is Ramesh and Akhi. That means the option is the correct answer. Choose the word which is most essential part of the given word. Pain. Now burn is something basically when we get in like with the help of the fire or with fire. Cut, hurt, and nuisance. So the most essential part of the given word is going to be hurt. That is the option number 2 because pain. When we have pain, we suffer, and when we suffer, then we get hurt. We feel bad. We get hurt. Burning, cutting, nuisance. For this, like when we talk about nuisance, so we get irritated with the help of when we hear something that is a nuisance. Burn and cut, when burning and cutting is there, so it causes pain. But for example, for example, what if we are doing the burning or the cutting of a metal? Pain is not there, but hurt is the most essential word. Read statement 1 and 2 and answer the following questions. Statement 1: yesterday was Tuesday, so today is Monday. If yesterday was Tuesday, right? Statement 2: the school is closed on Thursday, so if yesterday was Tuesday, so today is Wednesday, and tomorrow is Thursday. If two statements are true, then which of the following can be implied for the given statement? Tomorrow is a holiday. Every Thursday is a school holiday. No. Tomorrow is a holiday. Say. We can say that tomorrow is a holiday. Uh, one more thing. Then if we talk about over here, every Thursday is a school holiday. See, yesterday was Tuesday. School is closed on Thursdays. If it is written Thursdays, then every Thursday there is a holiday. And tomorrow is also a holiday. So both A and B, C option is the correct answer. Select the color of the letter O in the logo of Google. So here, if we just fill it up, so first we have blue color like this. Then the next one is red. Then the next one is yellow. Then the next one is again blue. Then we have green, and then finally we have letter red. So for letter O, the color is red and yellow. That means option C is the correct answer. As shown, there are two buckets of water. As shown, there are two buckets of water. If bucket A, in bucket A, the temperature of water is 25 degree, and in the bucket B, it is 25 degrees Fahrenheit. You drop a coin into each bucket from same height, and they hit the water at exactly the same time. Which coin touches the bottom first? You drop a coin into each bucket from the same height, and they hit the water at exactly the same time. Which bucket will go? Which bucket the coin will touch the bottom first? So see, this is 25 degrees Celsius. This is 25 degrees Fahrenheit. We know that degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 times degree Celsius plus 25. So let's suppose if we talk about for Fahrenheit, 9 by 5 multiplied by 25 plus 25. This is 5 times. So this is 45 plus 25, 70 degree Fahrenheit. Now 70 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. So if we lower the temperature of Fahrenheit, then it will become less value. So basically here the temperature is less. So if the temperature is less, 25 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 times C plus 25. It will get cancelled out. So 9 by 5 C is equal to 0, or C is equal to 0 degree Celsius. So in this case, as the water is about to freeze, so we can say that in B, as the water is in the liquid state, so it will go at the first place to touches the bottom of the bucket A. So A option is the correct answer. 5 people enter a racquetball tournament in which each person must play each other person exactly once. Determine the total number of games. So let's say A, B, C, D, E. 5 persons. So A will going to play with all 4 of them. 4. Now if we talk about B, B is already played with A, C, D and E. So 3 games. Then if we talk about C, so C is already played with B and A, so 1 and 2. And then finally if we talk about D, so only E is left, 1. So this is equal to 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1, 10. So there will be 10 games that will going to be played in all. So B option is the correct answer, and this is how we can solve the equation. I hope that you understood all of them. All the best for